Hi everyone, welcome to NoteGPT of Using. Do you want to learn efficiently with YouTube videos? Today we're going to show you how to use NoteGPT to enhance your learning experience and efficiency. First off, let's dive into how to get started with NoteGPT. Head over to the Chrome Web Store, search for NoteGPT and install the extension. Once installed, choose your default language. Next, navigate to YouTube and open the details page of the video you wish to learn from. Don't forget to register or log into NoteGPT to unlock more free excellent features. Now, let's move on to step 2, which is getting subtitles for the video. On the right side of the video details page, you'll see NoteGPT's toolbar. Click on Transcript to view the subtitles for the current video. NoteGPT AI has segmented the subtitles reasonably, making it easier to read and locate specific timestamps in the video. Within the transcript toolbar, you can choose subtitles in different languages and utilize some excellent features, such as locating subtitles to the current playback time, enabling auto-tracking, and more. Click the Copy button to copy all subtitles, or click Save as Note to save the subtitles to NoteGPT for future reference. Next, let's see how to get the summary and highlights of the video. On the right side of the video details page, click on Summary to view the current video's summary content. If you're not satisfied, you can regenerate or customize the prompt to get content that suits you. Click the Save as Note button in the top right corner to permanently save the video summary for free. In addition to that, NoteGPT also offers an advanced AI feature. Click the light bulb icon in the top right corner and you'll see questions generated by NoteGPT AI for you. Click to access answers in Chat with AI. Chat AI is a fantastic feature of NoteGPT. If you want to freely ask questions and chat with the video to gain more knowledge and higher quality learning, we recommend using NoteGPT's Chat AI. After going through these steps, you've accumulated a lot of knowledge. So how do you store all this knowledge? Good news, NoteGPT provides a note-taking feature. You can take notes directly next to the YouTube video, take screenshots, or automatically capture them. You can also tag your notes, creating your own knowledge learning chain. Where can you view your study notes? Visit NoteGPT's website. You can check out your idea learning records there. So, that's all the free tools NoteGPT offers to help you better learn YouTube videos. Additionally, NoteGPT supports summarizing web content such as articles and blogs. For example, when you visit a page you want to learn from, click on the floating NoteGPT icon on the right to get the current page's summary, including summary, takeaways, and FAQs. In summary, these are all the features NoteGPT provides. We hope NoteGPT can assist you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel, and leave any questions in the comments below. See you.